Hi, this is Dr. Wes Fryer,
And this is Dr. Ryan McCarty.
and this is the project overview for our media literacy lesson, Unpacking and Understanding Media Controversy.
Controversy is so important because in our nation nowadays, things are increasingly polarized, and students need to be able to analyze media for bias from all over the spectrum, including sources of media that try to intentionally deceive them.
Our lesson is titled Unpacking because this can be a process which includes analysis, deconstruction, and breaking down complexity, which are all very important higher order thinking skills for students to practice and develop.
In our unit, students use curated websites that present controversial issues from across the spectrum. They'll use this to be able to break down and analyze language that indicates sources of bias.
The student template, which you can download, includes a linkable table of contents, and in the project, students will create both word clouds to help analyze the text of these opposing articles, as well as creating info pics, which challenge students to summarize some of the main points and also use visual literacy skills.
At the link below, wfryer.me/UUMC, you'll be able to access all instructional materials. The materials are highlighted yellow for areas students need to fill in and green for areas teachers need to fill in. If you follow the links, you'll also be able to see completed examples as models for students as they pursue this inquiry.
In our lesson, we utilize the inquiry model and challenge students to wonder and discover. They also are challenged to share visual impressions. Teacher approval is required as they move forward in the project with their topic, and then they summarize both with word clouds and info pics, and they compare and contrast in a table, basically like a Venn diagram.
The culminating project is a screencast where students talk through their thinking. Tools are included, such as a rubric and a checklist for students to use as they complete this process.
By unpacking and understanding media controversy, we hope your students will be able to develop both their digital literacy skills, creating and sharing information, as well as their critical media literacy skills, better reading and analyzing information they find online.
After 7 years in Providence, Rhode Island, the Summer Institute in Digital Literacy is moving to Chicago. So please join us in Chi-Town this coming July 19th to the 24th, 2020. We hope to see you there.
As we co-created this project, we both brainstormed our objectives and the kinds of activities we wanted to do. I, Dr. Fryer, brought some of the digital literacy and media literacy tools to the table.
And I, Dr. McCarty, helped with the literacy instruction design, alignment to standards, and assessment pieces.